Hi students, today we are discussing about the CBSE Class 10th topic Arithmetic Progression, chapter number 5. In this topic, we will get 4 to 6 marks. Okay, it's very simple topic. In Arithmetic Progression, first of all, we want to discuss only most important 4 subtopics. The first subtopic, sequence, types of AP, general term of AP, and sum of n terms of AP. In this topic, we must learn these 4 topics, subtopics. Okay, this is very important. The first definition, sequence. It is a set of numbers arranged in a distinct order. You can observe the examples 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Distinct order here. Okay, and 90, 60, 30, so on. 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the distinct order. Okay, particular order. And I am discussing about the arithmetic progression AP. It is a sequence of numbers such that difference between two consecutive terms is constant. You can observe example A1, A2, A3, A4, so on, An minus 1, An. What is meant by consecutive terms? These two are consecutive terms. Okay, A2 minus A1 is equal to constant D. A3 minus A2 is equal to constant D. This is a constant. Okay, the difference between here, the difference A2 minus A1 is equal to D. A3 minus A2 is equal to D. A4 minus A3 is equal to constant D. These are same. Okay, and An minus 1 is equal to constant D. And another example, difference between any two consecutive terms is the same. Okay, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. The 2 minus 1 constant 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 constant 1, and 4 minus 3 constant 1. Okay, the constant is same. And even consecutive even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. You can observe 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2. The difference is same. Consecutive odd terms 1, 3, 5, 7. The difference between 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2. Okay, therefore the constant is same. Difference between any two consecutive terms is same. Okay, examples 1, 2, 3, 4. The difference between 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1. You can observe 2 minus 1 constant 1, 3 minus 2, 1. Therefore the difference is same. You can observe here 70 minus 100, 70 minus 100, that is equal to minus 30. 40 minus 70, that is equal to minus 30. 10 minus 40, that is equal to minus 30. Therefore the constant is same. The constant is same. You can observe this difference. Consecutive terms is the same. And minus 2 minus of minus 2 minus of minus 3, that is equal to 1. Minus 1 minus of minus 2, that is equal to 1. Therefore the constant is same. Here you can observe 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Therefore the constant is same. Each term is called the list is the term. Okay, term. It is the term. Okay. Types of AP. The first one is finite AP. The second one is infinite AP. Finite AP. The arithmetic progression has limited terms is called finite AP. Okay. Particular finite number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is the first number is 1. The last number is 6. Therefore it is a limited terms. It has limited terms. Okay. 30, 60, 90, 120. These are given 4 terms. Okay. It is a finite AP. Infinite AP. The arithmetic progression has unlimited, means the last term is infinity. Undefined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. 100, 70, 40, 10, minus 20. Infinity. Okay. It is called the infinite terms. Infinite AP. Example. For the AP, write the first term and common difference. Here you can observe this is the first term A. This is the first term. A is equal to 3 by 2. First term A. Second term 1 by 2. It is the A. Second term A plus D. Third term A plus 2D. Next term A plus 3D, so on. Here we want to find the common difference. That is equal to D is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. That is equal to minus 2 by 2. That is equal to minus 1. And Next sum. Here the first term a is equal to 4 and common difference d is equal to 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. Here third sum, example, a is first term, a is equal to 1, first term, a is equal to 1 and d is equal to minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Okay. Therefore, first term and this is the common difference. Next, general term of AP, general term of AP, a first term a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on. It is the infinite AP. If finite AP, then the terms are a plus d, a plus 2d, so on an. Here a is the first term, d is the common difference, an is the last term, n is the number of terms. These four are most important. A is the first term, d is the common difference, an is the last term, n is the number of terms. This is the formula. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. First term a plus 1 minus 1 into d. Second term a plus d, a plus 2 minus 1 into d. Third term a plus 2d, a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Therefore, nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. Example, write first 4 terms of AP. A is equal to 3, d is equal to 10. Then a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d. These are the 4 terms. Therefore, a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d. These are the first 4 terms. Therefore, a plus d, 3 plus 10, 13. A plus 2d, 2 into 10, that is equal to 23. A plus 3d, 3 plus 3 into d, that is equal to 33. These are the first 4 terms. Next example, a is equal to minus 2, d is equal to 0. Therefore, first 4 terms are a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. Therefore, a plus d, 2 plus minus 2 plus 0, therefore minus 2, a plus 2d. The values d is equal to 0, therefore the 4 terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Another example, a is equal to 4, d is equal to minus 3. Then the terms are a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d. The 4 terms are. Therefore, a plus 2d, therefore first of all a plus d, 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Okay. Then a plus 3d, 4 plus a plus 2d, 4 plus 2 into minus 3, that is equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2. A plus 3d, 4 plus 3 into minus 3, that is equal to 4 minus 9, that is equal to minus 5. Therefore, that 4 terms are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Next. And example, 5, 8, 11 and 8, 12. Find 8, 12. Here already we are given one formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the first term, therefore a is equal to 5. D is equal to 8 minus 5, common difference, 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Therefore, formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term, 5. N is equal to 12, 12 minus 1 into d, d is equal to 3. Therefore, a 12 is equal to 5 plus 12 minus 1, 11 into 3. Therefore, 5 plus 11 into 3, 33, that is equal to 38. Therefore, a 12 is equal to 38. Next sum. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? This is the most important sum. 2-digit numbers. First of all, you can write 2-digit numbers starting from 10, but it is divisible by 3. Means 12, 15, 18, 21, 3 table, 21, 24, 27, 30, like that. 99. Last number is 99. Suppose 99 divisible also 3. Therefore, the first term a is equal to 12. The common difference d is equal to 15 minus 12, that is equal to 3. Okay. Then formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know the last term. The last term is equal to 99. 99 is equal to a 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. Here we want to find the value of n. How many 2-digit numbers? They are asking the value of n. We know the formula. Okay. Then 90 minus 9, 12. 87 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 87 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, 29 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 29 plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 30. Okay. Next. Sum of n terms of AP. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is equal to number of terms. N is equal to number of terms. A is equal to first term. A is equal to first term. D is equal to common difference. D is equal to common difference. We have another formula. Suppose in this sum they are given first term and last term. Then you can use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. A is equal to first term, L is equal to last term, and n is equal to number of terms. Okay. You want to find sum of n terms, you can use these two formulas. Suppose in this sum, I am giving examples to you. First question. Example, A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, n is equal to 12. Find the sum of n terms of AP. First of all, there are two formulas. Which formula we can use? First formula. Okay. Sn is equal to 5 because here n given, A given and D given. Therefore, n is equal to 12. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into a, the value of a 5 plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1 into 3. That is equal to 6 into 2 5s are 10 plus 11 into 3, 33. Therefore, 10 here, that is equal to 6 into 10 plus 33. Therefore, 33 plus 10, that is equal to 43. Therefore, 6 into 43. Therefore, answer is 258. Another example. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of AP. 8, 3 minus 2. Here given n is equal to 22. Sum of here we want to find the Sn. N is equal to 22, A is equal to 8, and the D is equal to common difference 3 minus 8, that is equal to minus 5. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Then Sn is equal to 22 by 2 into 2 into a, 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into minus 5. Therefore, 8 2 is 16 plus 21 into minus 5 into 11. Therefore, Sn is equal to 11 into 16 minus 105. Therefore, Sn is equal to 11 into minus 89. Therefore, Sn is equal to minus 979. Therefore, sum of the first 22 terms of AP is minus 979. And another example, A is equal to 5, L is equal to 38. A is equal to means first term is equal to 5, last term is equal to 38, N is equal to 12. Then find Sn. Here you can observe this formula, the second formula. N given, first term given and last term given. Here we want to find the Sn only. Okay. Then the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Here A is equal to first term, A is equal to first term, L is equal to last term, that is equal to 38. A is equal to 5. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2, that is equal to 12 by 2, 12 by 2 into a plus L, 5 plus 38. Therefore, 43, 6 into 48, 43. Therefore, Sn is equal to 6 into 43. Therefore, answer is 258. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.